they call the very best. 1 million strong and transactions flying free. He's acclaiming his legacy, you'll surely see.
Frankly, we are going to grow it globally because our competition isn't going to be, for the next 10 years, alts. Altcoins are not the competition. Visa, MasterCard, banks, government, they're the competition. They're the ones who will start understanding this and start getting scared. They've had time now, and they're going to start building their own. They're going to start doing their own. It will take them time, and we have a little bit of advantage. And we're not going to win by sitting there going, let's grow, like Luke Jr. said, over the next 30 years. We won't survive 30 years. If we don't do this by 2030, we're dead.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move